This is an emergency warning. The current threat level is emergency, meaning that an emergency is in progress that will affect you, and should take action now to ensure your survival. Australia is being invaded. Repeating, Australia is being invaded. These troops have been confirmed to be a part of the Imperial Japanese Army and Navy from the Empire of Japan. The Japanese Empire has already started a massive frontal assault from Japanese East Australia, formerly known as Victoria and Tasmania. Over 92 infantry divisions supported by 7 divisions of heavy armour and 4 divisions of air support have started a major push via landings from Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, and Darwin. Encirclement movements have cut down a massive amount of the Australian Army. These troops are confirmed to be Dusthumans, as they have been seen absorbing a blue-like substance via their hands. This is believed to be called solar power, which powers their magic-like abilities. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. The Imperial Japanese Navy won't hesitate to gun down anyone that's in their way. Stay inside to protect your life. Repeating. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. If an Imperial Japanese Army soldier approaches you, put all items on the ground, and put your hands on your head. Do not comply with any orders given to you, unless if your life is threatened. The Australian Army has failed to break the front line around Sydney. The Imperial Japanese Army is winning. TV stations are expected to be hijacked to broadcast Imperial Japanese propaganda or other information. Please tune to a certified Australian radio station to receive correct information. Please gather supplies now, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, extra batteries and a battery-powered radio. Do not evacuate, as